Demand for cough medicine is on the rise as mycoplasma infections continue to grow in China. Reports say some people have bought medicines in Taiwan to sell in China at 5 times the price.
The Federation of Taiwan Pharmacists Association says it has activated monitoring systems to flag people who buy more than 10 boxes of medicine in one go.
药师的回报，现在大量的买，有透过小三通的路线。
Our pharmacists report that there are people buying large amounts of medicine and selling it in China via the little 3 links. The price in Taiwan might be around 100 NT, and they sell it for 500 NT in China.
他一次买个10盒，买个20盒，这显然不是说是。
If the customer buys 10 boxes or 20 boxes, then it's clearly not for their own short-term use.
The CDC on Friday reported a minor with mycoplasma registered in Taiwan. It was a boy in his teens who got tested at the airport after entering Taiwan from China on December 4th. He was taken for treatment the next day, and his fever receded after medical attention.